In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fairlight in Davinci Resolve 18. This powerful audio post-production tool offers you the capability to craft and refine the sound in your videos, giving them the professional quality that stands out. Whether you're new to audio editing or just looking to add some finesse to your work, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to make the most out of Fairlight. First, let's open Davinci Resolve. For those who might be unfamiliar, it's an industry standard application for video and audio post-production, widely used by professionals. Once you've opened the software, you'll be greeted with the Project Manager window. Here you can see all your projects. Select the project you wish to work on or create a new one if necessary. This will take you to the main interface of the program. Now that you're in your project, navigate to the Edit page. The Edit page is where most of your video editing occurs, but it's also where you can prepare your audio tracks before heading into Fairlight. Take a moment to ensure your video and audio tracks are organized and ready for detailed sound editing. Next, click on the Fairlight page. This is the dedicated audio interface within Davinci Resolve, tailored to handle everything sound related, from basic clip adjustments to complex audio mixing. As you enter the Fairlight interface, you'll notice its extensive tool set ready for you to utilize. One of the first things you should do is organize your tracks. Proper track organization is crucial for efficient editing. You can drag your tracks to rearrange them, label them for clarity, and adjust their attributes as needed. This step, though seemingly simple, can save you a lot of time and confusion as your project gets more complex. With your tracks well organized, you can start using Fairlight's various features. Explore options such as adding effects, making precise cuts, and adjusting volume levels. Fairlight's mixer offers a comprehensive set of tools for balancing the sound of multiple tracks, helping to create a cohesive audio experience. Take advantage of the built-in EQ to fine-tune frequencies, and utilize the dynamic section to control the sound's loudness and compression effectively. As you work, regularly play back your audio, ensuring everything sounds just right. Make any necessary tweaks until you achieve the desired results. This step is your chance to experiment and refine. Remember, great audio is as much about the feel as it is about the technicalities. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to make your projects sound their best. Practice is key, so don't be afraid to dive in and explore the various tools Fairlight offers. As you become more confident, you'll discover how these audio enhancements contribute to the overall impact of your videos. Thank you for watching, and enjoy crafting impressive audio with Fairlight in Davinci Resolve 18.